Here's a step-by-step guide to fix Windows error code 0xc000000f, which typically means that the boot configuration data, or BCD, is missing, corrupted, or damaged. Error code 0xc000000f usually appears with messages like, a required device isn't connected or can't be accessed, or the boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors. This error can be caused by power failures or improper shutdowns, file system corruption, failed updates or drive changes, and sometimes even hard drive or SSD issues. Step 1 is to create or use Windows installation media. If you don't already have one, create a Windows 10 or 11 bootable USB using the media creation tool on another PC. Just go to the official Microsoft website, download and run the media creation tool, and then create a bootable USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Okay, so, step 2 is to boot from the USB or DVD. Go ahead and insert the Windows USB or DVD into the affected PC. Now restart the PC. When it starts up, press the boot menu key. This could be F12, F10, ESC, or Dell, depending on your computer. Then select the USB or DVD as your boot device. Just hang tight for a moment while the Windows setup screen loads. Alright, moving on to step 3, open the repair tools. On the Windows setup screen, choose your language and click Next. Then at the bottom left, click on Repair Your Computer. Go to Troubleshoot and finally, click on Command Prompt. Now, for step 4, let's rebuild the BCD or boot configuration data. In the Command Prompt window, type each of these commands and press Enter after each one. bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/scanos, and bootrec/rebuild BCD. If you're asked whether to add the installation to the boot list, just type Y and press Enter. Alright, step 5 is to run a disk check. This one's optional, but honestly, it's highly recommended. To scan your drive for errors, just run the command chkdsk/c/r. Oh, and if your Windows installation is on a different drive, remember to replace C with the correct letter. You can easily find out which letter to use by running diskpart. Okay, step 6. Use Startup Repair. Go back to the Troubleshoot screen and then select Startup Repair. Choose your Windows operating system and let Windows diagnose and attempt to fix the issue. Just give it a moment to work through the process. Step 7 is to check BIOS boot settings. If the problem continues, restart the PC and enter BIOS or UEFI, usually by pressing Delete, F2, or Escape right when you start up. Check if your primary hard drive or SSD is detected and make sure it's set as the first boot device. Don't forget to save and exit BIOS before you restart. Step 8 is to reset BIOS to default, if needed. So, if your boot settings seem wrong or you've recently changed hardware, enter BIOS again. Look for an option like Load Setup Defaults, apply and save those settings, and then restart your PC. Alright, let's quickly recap. Step 1. Create or insert Windows installation media. Step 2. Boot from USB or DVD. Step 3. Open repair tools. Step 4. Rebuild the BCD using Command Prompt. Step 5. Scan the disk for errors. Step 6. Try automatic startup repair. And finally, Step 7. Check or reset BIOS settings. That's the whole process, step by step.